Good morning, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about 4 minutes, so I think I'm going to watch RCL out of the opening gates, but I guess that could always change at the last second. But that is the plan right now, so we'll see what happens. All right, watching Boeing here. Gapped up, pulling back now. Now it's a question of, does it look like it wants to make another move back to the upside? These are 1 minute candles, so the market's been open for not even 2 minutes yet. All right, I'll go ahead and pause, but I'm definitely watching BA for the time being. I'm going to go ahead and get short here, or attempt to get short here at 35.50. A lot of downwards pressure on RCL right now. I didn't want to chase it all the way down there below 35. So let it bounce back up to me here. And we'll see what it wants to do. Yeah, definitely lots of downwards pressure out there amongst the cruise stocks, RCL being one of them. So now it's really just a question of, does this want to roll over? Key break looking like there's the break. So all out there for, problem is I shouldn't have been all out. Should have just taken off 400. Should still have 100. Oh well. Forgot to change and adjust my order. That's okay. Not the first mistake I've made for these live trade videos. For those of you that have watched them, won't be the last. But what's going on here with Delta? Just pure brutality right now. Wow. What is that down there? Gonna try to get some at 23.35. This move is just crazy right now. Okay, I got those. And out there for just a quick $50 score, given I was certainly against the trend there. I just wanted a quick scalp. Let's see, where's that next area at? Could this thing really get down to 23 on the same exact move? I mean, if it does, I'd be interested, but I don't know. That's still another 50 cents to go. So, all right, there's another. So it's been a morning of $50 bills so far. Okay, well, I was going to try to get short there at 29, but a little too fast for me. And now it's looking like it's leaving me behind. So, like I said, just wasn't quite fast enough to get short at UAL at 29. So on that one, never mind. I think Boeing wants to potentially get down below, the 152 level. So let's see if it can indeed break down through 152. It's trying to break. Ooh. Well, that's not what I wanted to see. See if it can come back down though. trying. There is the break again. But this thing just does not want to get any continuation, does it? There we go. So all out there for a nice $175 scalp, so I will take it. Have an order at 129.75. I missed the original breakout over 130, and I didn't want to chase it. But if it wants to pull back some, I'd be interested, so we'll see what happens. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get short Boeing here. Looking for a breakdown of 149.50. Which did not happen. Trying again. There's the break. So all out there for another quick little scalp. Now up 443 on the day. Let's see what else I can find. Have an order at 151.75 to go short 500 shares of Boeing. 151.75. Oh, and now it's pulling back. All right, I'll keep an eye on it. Have an order at 150.35 here. So I'm in there for an opening allotment. And out there for a quick little $75 move. Let's see what else I can find. Well, I totally lost track of the time. Almost an hour in. It's 10:21 a.m. right now at this point, and I am up $518. And as my trading motto goes, $500 a day keeps the day job away. So I'm just going to go ahead and call it a day. I'm happy with that. I will move on and work on some other things, my other income streams. For those of you that are maybe new to the channel, I invest in real estate. I offer a personal finance site. I offer claytrader.com. So there's lots of other things that I have going on. I think sometimes people say, oh, you're done for the day. That means you go and like lay by the beach for the rest of the day and it's only 10:30. I mean, that'd be a great marketing pitch. That'd be a great sales angle. But no, that's not. I have other things that I want to work on. And don't get me wrong. I mean, I'm going to go work out. I'm going to go lift, do stuff like that, go play and hang out with my kids. But yes, no, I'm not, the plan right now is not for me to go rev up the Lamborghini to take over to the airport so I can, fly my private jet to my, Malibu penthouse, nothing like that. So, but just trying to keep things as real as possible there. But yeah, I am going to wrap things up. So if you enjoyed these live trade videos, a few things before I go. First off, the best and quickest way to communicate to me, hey Clay, please keep making these videos. I really enjoy them. Just hit the like button, leave a comment down below. That always goes a long way too. If you're interested and trading alongside me and other traders, I do offer a private community, which you can learn more about at claytrader.com. So you can go there and, all these alerts that you saw me trading are all called out live. I mean, if you watch past videos, you've seen me show plenty of examples before. But if, like I said, you're new to the channel or new to these videos, claytrader.com, you can learn more about that. But like I said, if you enjoy these videos and you want me to keep making them, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. And also, hopefully you decide to become a subscriber to the channel. I would love to have you. So hit that subscribe button. Thanks for hanging out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.